The debate on Finance Bill 2026 is almost hitting fever pitch as legislators attempt to justify their positions on the proposed law. While those allied to the government insist that there are no new taxes on mitumba, rental income, mobile phones or the housing levy, the opposition maintains that the bill contains costs that could increase the burden on ordinary citizens through digital transactions, second-hand clothing trade and mobile phone purchases. The debate has also spilled into a procedural row, with opposition MPs accusing the Speaker of denying a division vote that would have shown an individual member vote on the bill. Victor Ngaruya has the details.
At the precincts of Parliament, Finance Bill 2026 has now become the latest political background, pitting government allies against opposition lawmakers in a clash over taxation and the cost of living. The National Assembly Finance and Planning Committee has defended the bill, saying it received more than 100,000 submissions from Kenyans and has already agreed on several amendments with the National Treasury and the Kenya Revenue Authority.
Those are the lies.
Among the issues generating most public attention are taxes on mobile phones, second-hand clothes, commonly known as mitumba, and rental income. The committee chair insists the claims of new taxes on mitumba and rental income are misleading.
So ignore all the propaganda or all the misinformation and disinformation that there is added taxation on mitumba. There is no, in our reports, any increase in taxation for mitumba. The third matter is on rental income tax. We have heard people say that there is increase in taxation for rental income. We want to guarantee the country that there is no any increased taxation on rental income.
Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah also moved to calm fears over reports of an increase in housing levy while taking a swipe at opposition leaders.
This propaganda began with the Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka telling the world that the Finance Bill of 2026 was converting all freehold land into leasehold. And we challenged them to show us where in this bill that was, and it wasn't. They have since moved now to mitumba, to phones, and to rental income.
But the opposition is not convinced. They accuse the government of masking the true impact of the bill.
The Finance Bill of 2026 is punitive to the common mwananchi. And that has to go. You know, they are trying to bring some jargons or zero rating to exempt, to tax exempt. Those are jargons that they are just using to ensure that mwananchi suffers further.
The MPs also claim the bill introduces taxation on digital platform-based financial services, a move they say could affect the overwhelming majority of citizens who use mobile money services.
94% of Kenyans use a platform called M-Pesa and Airtel Money. Those two platforms lies under this clause, which they have introduced to tax anything you do on your mobile banking, you do on your mobile transaction.
Beyond the tax measures, the opposition legislators have accused the Speaker of blocking a division vote after they claimed to have the required number of members.
We called for a division 31 members, and the Speaker refused for us to be head counted so that people will know who voted yes and who voted no to the finance bill as it was proposed.
The government, however, has dismissed the complaints, maintaining that the bill will be amended further before the final vote. With the third reading now imminent, all eyes are on the National Assembly to determine whether the affirmative votes will secure the bill's passage or if opposition pressure will compel further concessions. Victor Ngaruya, NTV.